Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy JC, and I'm coming back with another video, but this video will be a lot different from all the other ones because I'm actually kind of vlogging right now. But yeah, your boy copped the Yeezy SeSame V2s, so I will be doing an unboxing on that right now today. And as you guys can see in the background, we got the setup. It's actually looking pretty dope. I'll make a setup video later on that once we hit 3K or something. Let's make sure to hit that subscribe button, crush that thing, and yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so we got the fire itself right here. We can take a look at these nice shoes. Alright, so here it is, the box itself. Y'all in the comments are probably gonna be roasting me or something on how this stuff is fake. Let me see. Is there anything on this box? Yeah, that doesn't show anything. So here is the box right here. Bang. Alright, so as I said, we did get the sesames, and as I'm struggling to open up the box, here it is, guys, right here. The 350 sesames. Let's take a look at these shoes. In my opinion, these are one of the nicest Yeezys out there. They are super nice. They're a grayish tan, as you can tell. They might look a little bit different online, but in real life, I feel like they do look different. They're super nice. Let me check. They're all gonna be saying that these are fake. Got the Yeezy Boost tag. The fake websites too, they are adding all these tags and everything. They're making these Yeezys look very, very professional. So let me get the other one out of the box for you. A little bit surprised that they did not put the receipt in here. I ended up buying them from Eastbay on Black Friday, which these were the Black Friday exclusives. I'm pretty sure there's sizes 8, 9, and 10 still at Champs and online. So if you want to buy some, I can take out the wrappers too as well. Let's do that. All right. So I'm gonna take out the soles just to show you guys. This stuff, this is some real stuff right here, guys. Take a look at that Adidas tag without the shadow in there. Sorry guys, I'm having Evan filming right now. Shout out to Evan, my neighbor. I'm just gonna leave these out right now. We got the tags. I'm probably gonna leave the tags on because if these do spike up in price, maybe $100 or something, I might resell them. I don't know yet. And as well, for Christmas, guys, I might be doing a giveaway on a pair of shoes. I do not know what shoes those are right now, but I'm thinking about it. If you guys crush that subscribe button, might make me have more of a chance to give away a pair of Yeezys right here. I don't know. We don't know yet. But this is my honest opinion on the Yeezys. I think they are very nice, especially the newer versions with the brownish bottoms more. They won't be getting as dirty as if they were clear. So that's a big thing that I do like about these. The boost on here, it is shiny, a lot more shinier. As the fakes, they haven't done that yet. I think they'll be doing that in their next update on the fake shoe. Got the boost. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.